Number 7, Corey earns $52.50 in 7 hours. Find the unit rate or how much he earns in 1 hour. So we are going to take the $52.50, divide it by 7, and $52.50 divided by 7 ends up being $7.50 per hour.
First grade.
Number 8, this gentleman from Japan ate 53.5 hot dogs in 12 minutes. And our goal is to figure out how many he ate in 1 minute.
A lot.
So 53.5 divided by 12. And I think it works out to be right about 4.5 hot dogs per minute.
4.5 hot dogs per minute.
4.5 hot dogs per minute.
When did you get
Vocabulary,
hot dogs
letter F. Converting rates is changing from one rate to another. Changing from one rate to another. And as you do this, you might have to remember a few conversions from last year. And if you ever have questions on those, you can ask. Number 9, we are converting 25 degrees Celsius per kilometer into degrees per minute.
Can we use our
So 25 degrees per kilometer. We're going to start out with that. And I'm going to make this little chart that looks about like that. Since there is kilometers on the bottom, we want to put one on the top so they cancel. And we are trying to change this to kilometers per meter. There are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. And now, since there's a kilometer on the top, kilometer on the bottom, those cancel. And if you take 25, divide it by 1,000, you will have 0.025. That's how many degrees Celsius per meter.
That makes no sense. Like temperature. And
Number
meter.
10, it's probably talking as you're gaining or losing altitude. Number 10, we start out with 52 feet per hour. And we want to convert this to inches per second. So the first thing I'm going to look at is changing the feet to inches. Now we have feet on the top of this fraction, so we want to put feet on the bottom, or foot. 1 foot is 12 inches. And now we need to change from hours to seconds. And I'm going to first of all change from hours to minutes, and then minutes to seconds. This hour is on the bottom of the fraction. So we're going to have 1 hour up here, which is 60 minutes. And we're trying to get to seconds. So now we need to say 1 minute is 60 seconds. And if you look at this, a bunch of these units are going to cancel. The feet cancel. The hours cancel. The minutes cancel. And you can do 52 times 12. Everybody do this on your calculator. 52 times 12. And what do you end up with? 624. And then 60 times 60 is 3,600. And if you divide that, what do you end up with?
0.173 repeated.
Okay, so let's say right about 0.17 inches per second.
That's really slow.
Number 11, a cyclist travels 56 miles in 4 hours and you always start out writing whatever rate they give you, 56 miles in 4 hours. And we want to figure out the speed in feet per second. So first of all, let's change the miles to feet. Since this miles is on the top of the fraction, we need one on the bottom. 1 mile is 5,280 feet. And if you don't remember that, you can ask. And now we need to change from hours into seconds. 1 hour is 60 minutes. And then we change from minutes to seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. A bunch of our rates cancel. Miles cancels with miles. Hours cancels with hours. Minutes cancels with minutes. And you're left with feet per second. On the top, you're going to multiply 56 times 5,280. On the bottom, you're going to multiply 4 times 60 times 60. And then you are going to divide those two numbers. And can anyone tell me what you ended up with?
No, I was just kidding.
Okay, so right about 20 and a half feet per second. Number 12, a cheetah can run at a rate of 60 miles